What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, and welcome to an update on Hashflow, or HFT, the HFT token, the Hashflow token. And yeah, so in this video, I wanted to take a quick look at it. Wanted to talk, well, at least I wanted to do a full analysis on it. All right. Obviously, I know the fundamentals in the market, and I know that they're not great. But we'll incorporate that into the analysis. But I don't really want to talk about it too much. I mean, we all know what's going on with FTX. We all know about the bankruptcy, about the hack, and about the insolvency. Now, some other exchanges are also under fire right now, like crypto.com, but there's no reason to believe, as for now, that they will go under as well. So don't talk about that too much, or we will not talk about that too much. But we'll talk about Hashflow. Newly released crypto obviously dropped down quite a lot after its inception and after the listing. And we will zoom in, we have found our support. We have found our support at around 50 cents. We held that for the last, last few days. So in this video, we'll talk about whether something like this is going to happen, or whether we can actually stay on top of 50 cents and maybe even get some sort of an uptrend. I think Hashflow, like in general, talking about the market, I think we've actually gotten closer to our fair value. Hashflow is it's a decentralized exchange with some, I like to call it some more centralized parts. So it has professional market makers controlling the liquidity pools, whereas the liquidity pools at other decentralized exchanges are monitored by a protocol, by an AMM, an automatic market maker. So Hashflow right now under 100 million. I said in the beginning, I said 100 million, 200 million would probably be fair value. And in the next bull market, I actually think that Hashflow could increase to at least 500 million and 1 billion market cap. So definitely a great buy. But on the short term, with these bearish fundamentals we have, I'm not sure if this is the right moment to buy yet. Because even though we are holding 50 cents as a support, you can also see that we're kind of forming a, I guess you could say kind of a structure like this. So we're holding 50 cents, but the price is getting pushed down and pushed down. We're making lower highs, like we have been making lower highs for the last 3 days. So what we need to do is right now we're dropping through 50 cents, and the most likely scenario, also taking into account those bearish fundamentals, is that at some point we will break down below 50 cents and probably drop down to 40 cents. Altogether, I think the support level is going to be between 45 and 40 cents, but I think 40 cents will be a little bit stronger. So this seems like the most likely scenario, just because we get pushed down and pushed down still, all right? There's still a lot of bearish momentum. The only way in which we can actually prevent something like this is if we drop down to 50 cents right now, which we are definitely doing, and that we then actually get above at least 60 cents again. Because if we then break above 60 cents, we'll probably also get up to 67, 66 cents, but that also means that we broke out of this bearish market structure we were in. And you know, I'll cover it definitely if something like that happens, but that also means that we can actually get up even more. I mean, we could just get into a consolidation, which I don't think an uptrend is possible with these fundamentals. But I think a consolidation would actually be amazing for Hashflow, both on the short term, because that prevents us from dropping down, and on the long term, because that means that we're still up relatively high and it shows strength. So right now it just depends. We're dropping down to 50 cents probably. If we find support there to get us all the way up above 60 cents, I think we can consolidate. If that doesn't happen, we'll fall through and probably drop down to that 45 and 40 cents level. So that's my update on HFT for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.